Alright, back out the front again. There are ponds everywhere, and pretty much all of them have little guppies growing wild, and a couple of goldfish. And he's built a plunge pool as well. You can go swimming in if you like. That's Rob's personal house back there. And there is the gazebo. Sometimes they have, there's a lady who does massage here. Oh, and look! Oh, and he ran away before I could video him. There we go. These guys are everywhere. But yeah, it's pretty darn relaxed. Pretty serene. Absolutely gorgeous. Life, rainforest, everywhere. And quite possibly the coolest place I've been in Australia so far. Turtle steps. Welcome to the Rainforest Hideaway. And come inside. There's a loft upstairs for families with kids. And the kitchen. And everything is open to the outside. Rob's been carving these Easter Island Moai head bar stools. He's got a bunch more of them on the go that he's going to try to sell. And yeah, this is the living room. And there's a little plate that we put fruit scraps on that brings in all the birds. All the food scraps go over the edge. And it just brings in all sorts of wildlife. And then this is my cabin. Down the boardwalk. Through the woods. And yeah, everything's mesh. It's practically camping, only it feels like camping even though I'm indoors and I have a gigantic bed. It's awesome. So yeah, home sweet home. And that's the Rainforest Hideaway.